Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of gardening. Everything you need to know to get started, grow thriving plants, and create the garden of your dreams. Whether you're a beginner or looking to up your gardening game, this video has you covered. Let's get started. Gardening isn't just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. It helps reduce stress, improves your mental health, and even provides fresh organic produce. Plus, you're doing your part for the environment by planting trees and flowers that improve air quality and attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. First things first, decide on the type of garden you want. Do you have a backyard? Perfect for a vegetable or flower garden. Limited space? Try container gardening or vertical gardening on your balcony. Love greenery indoors? Indoor plants or hydroponic setups might be for you. Now let's talk about the basics. Soil, the foundation of a healthy garden. Use nutrient-rich, well-draining soil. You can test your soil or buy pre-mixed options for specific plants. Sunlight. Most plants need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Observe your space to see where the light falls. Water. Keep your soil moist but not soggy. Overwatering can harm your plants just as much as underwatering. Tools. Invest in basic tools like a spade, rake, gloves, and watering can. For small spaces, hand tools are enough. Section 4. Picking the right plants. Not all plants thrive in the same conditions. Choose plants suited for your climate, space, and skill level. For beginners, herbs like basil, parsley, or mint are easy to grow. Want veggies? Start with lettuce, radishes, or cherry tomatoes. For flowers, marigolds and zinnias are low maintenance and rewarding. Here's a pro tip. Check plant tags or seed packets for details about sunlight, watering, and spacing requirements. Section 5. Seasonal Planting Guide. Timing is everything in gardening. Know your planting seasons: spring tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers, summer squash, okra, and beans, fall carrots, spinach, and kale, winter garlic, onions, and some hardy herbs. Research your local planting zone to tailor your garden to your region. Section 6. Caring for your garden. A garden needs love and care. Here are some key maintenance tips. Fertilizer. Feed your plants with organic compost or store-bought fertilizers. Weeding. Remove weeds regularly to prevent competition for nutrients. Pruning. Trim dead leaves and branches to encourage healthy growth. Pest control. Use natural remedies like neem oil or companion planting to keep pests away. Home gardening is so rewarding. You get fresh, chemical-free produce, save money on groceries, and experience the joy of growing your own food. Plus, there's nothing quite like the sight of blooming flowers or lush greenery in your home. Let's learn from common mistakes. Overwatering. Plants don't like sitting in water. Planting too close, give each plant enough space to grow. Ignoring pests, deal with them early before they ruin your garden. Neglecting sunlight needs. Don't plant shade-loving plants in direct sunlight and vice versa. Get creative with your garden. Add trellises for climbing plants, grow colorful flowers for a vibrant look, or start a themed garden like an herb garden or butterfly garden. Gardening is an art, and your garden is your canvas. Gardening takes patience, but it's incredibly rewarding. Start small, learn as you grow, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, every great gardener was once a beginner, so grab your tools, plant your seeds, and enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite plant to grow? Until next time, happy gardening.